I'm back. If you are new here, my name is Joy Nicholson, and I'm the founder of Unleash Your Marketing. This is an agency / coaching business that helps small or startup businesses just like yourself to generate leads and sales. We also have a consultancy arm to the business where well-established businesses, but they're struggling with the business, we are helping them to generate leads and sales and have a more comprehensive marketing strategy for your brand. So this is the two sides of the business. I'm also the podcast host of Unleash Your Focus. This is where I dive in behind the scenes to understand and discover what makes successful people successful. I truly believe there is two sides of every business. The one side is, as an entrepreneur, you have to grow and scale yourself before you can grow and scale your business. And a lot of the entrepreneurial journey is around mindset. Yes, you might suck in marketing or you might suck in something else. And you might say to me, but Joy, it's the marketing that's not great. But you know what? That's a skill that you can improve. But you can only improve that skill if your mindset is in the right place. And a lot of it has to do with success habits and things like that. So going in behind the scenes to discover what makes these entrepreneurs successful, that is a really important part of growing your business. And that is where Unleash Your Focus and Unleash Your Marketing, basically, that's how it's been born. Because I soon realized with the marketing agency that a lot of business owners, especially startup business owners, struggle to overcome obstacles within themselves to grow their business. So if you don't want to miss out on this amazing tips and tricks that I know that you're going to find amazing to help you in your business, if you don't want to miss out on this, I do recommend to subscribe to this channel. In the next few weeks, I'm going to share a lot of tips and tricks on helping you to generate leads. I'm going to recommend softwares. It's really super affordable that you can use to build websites, funnels, if you have a course, membership you want to put together. And I'm also going to share with you interviews from the successful people that I've been interviewing over the last, month, basically, which is season 9 of my podcast at this stage where we are now in January of 2022. So I do recommend hit that subscribe button, be on my channel. And also I do love to give a lot to my audience, and therefore you can win prizes if you get onto subscribing. So anyway, that is me in a nutshell. I hope to see you there. And also every video that I pop out there, please do ask questions and interact with me, because I would actually personally get back to each and every question that you guys have to ask. I'll see you on the inside.